Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello guys, it's me again with my new video. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a coffee without coffee maker. So, sai ku gyara zama ku saurara. First of all, I'm going to need my coffee, ko kuma in ce Nescafe. That is 2 tablespoons of coffee and 2 tablespoons of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of water. Then start mixing them together. Then I should add another tablespoon of coffee. Actually, this coffee, it's very sweet, it's very delicious. I can't even tell you the taste it was, but why don't you try it at home and see, more especially in iftar, as we are approaching Ramadan. Try it in iftar and give it to your family. I promise you, your family will going to enjoy it. They will going to love it even more. So if I add another tablespoon of water and start mixing them together, as you can see, it's getting fluffy. Then I should continue to mixing them together until well combined. Gradually it's getting fluffy. So kun gan shi ya dan fara kauri kaman kumfa haka. Yawwa, to wannan ba sai kin sa coffee maker ba, da hannunki zaki yi shi easier way. So I actually thought of bringing this recipe to you guys, and I hope you will like it. So as you can see now, it's well combined and it's fluffy already. So I hope you will enjoy this video. Please, if this is your first time to visit this channel, give us a thumbs up and also subscribe our channel. So I'll bring my cup and a little bit of coffee, and I will continue to add some milk, a boiled milk, and mix them together until well combined. So we should add another boiled milk, and then combine them together. So bring out your coffee and put it in the top of the boiled milk. So you can garnish it with everything you want. So for me now, I have my chocolate ganache, so I actually put it on the top of the coffee. Okay, as you can see, I'm designing the coffee though I'm not perfect at designer, but I'm trying. So as you can see, I've designed my coffee now. That's all. You can follow us on our Instagram account at Bi'ihsannas Cookery and our YouTube channel at Bi'ihsannas Cookery. Thank you very much. Please subscribe my channel. Ma'asalama.